I can't believe I actually made a hat. What's good for the chat? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today, as per the title, I'm going to be making a custom fitted hat from scratch. So I have a bunch of fabric, some nice, I love my patchwork. So I have a bunch of random patterned fabric and we are going to make a fitted hat out of it. I've never done this before. There's not many videos out there that really teaches you how to do this. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, watch this video all the way through because we are going to learn together and hopefully we, accomplish what we are here to accomplish. So what I'm going to be using obviously is all of my fabric that I have for each panel of the hat. And then I also have just a blank black fitted hat that I'm going to trace the little sections from. Like, so if you know a hat, it has like different sections. So I'm going to be tracing those with tape. And then I also have like a little clasp button that I'm going to be using for the top. I also have these brims that I'll be working with. Hopefully, I don't break my needle because they feel a little hard, but they're supposed to be like a softer type of brim. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we don't run into anything there because that's gonna make or break the project. Really, I've been wanting to do this for a while now and today is finally the day. So fingers crossed that it's gonna come out the way that I want. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Sit back and either sew with me or relax. Let me show you how it's done. Yeah, so we got all of our panels cut out and then we also have two sides of our brim. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to start sewing everything together. For the first, I am going to start with kind of the two front pieces that I want on the front. So this is going to be the front of the hat, sewing these two together and then hopefully creating something on the embroidery machine so we can embroider on the front. So I got the brim all sewn together. This one was a little bit harder than I expected. I just used a zipper foot and tried to kind of sew as close to the brim as I could. I got it all secure and I am going to put more kind of lines like they do on other hats. Like if you guys can kind of see these lines here, I am gonna do it to this brim as well. And then I'm going to add bias tape underneath. We're gonna attach the brim and it's gonna look something like this. So I'm super excited. Okay, y'all, so it's definitely not coming out terrible. The only thing is I think I attached the brim crooked. So I am going to seam rip the brim off and then try to reattach it. All right, y'all, and so this is the final product. Let me know what you guys think down below. Now, when I reattached the brim, I feel like I pulled the fabric down too far where my embroidery patch is laying. However, it's cool. It's a prototype. I want to remake this to make it a little bit more sturdy because if I take it off, you see how like flimsy it is. I think that I'm going to add like stabilizer, maybe use a thicker material, something, maybe line the material. But now I think this came out really, really good. This was just my practice round to make a hat. I didn't think I don't know why. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this. I'm doing it every time. Yes, honey. I would usually wear my hats like this. Period. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to comment down below what you guys would like to see next. I mean, challenge me. Let me kind of cook, you know. As always, make sure to stay positive, and you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the sun shoes, but you ain't gonna step. This shit that you just put out, you could've kept.